There is something common in all of us. During our young age, we will not listen to our seniors, our parents, our teachers. They are the one try to share their experience, their learnings to ensure that we live a beautiful future. But at that particular time, we were in the illusion that we know everything. We are better than them in the education, in the technology, so that we will not give attention to them. Don't you? Don't you think we did the same? Let me put this point in the beautiful story which I heard recently. In the North India, there are few kinds of birds live there. But in North India, most of the time, very snow and very cold. When it comes to particularly winter, they will not able to live in that area, in that location. So, those birds live there. They will take a decision one particular time in advance that they cannot able to survive there. They will start traveling to south part of India. We usually call them as migrant birds. Here it's happened, the whole bird in advance, since the variation in the atmosphere, they had one group of meeting and decided to fly, travel from north side to south side. But during the discussion, one young energetic bird said, "No, I am not going to join with you all. I don't agree with your points which you are putting across. Nothing going to change in this atmosphere. We are comfortable. Nowadays, I am able to live here itself." Then, seniors, they tried convincing, no use. Then the whole other birds started traveling from north to south. Now the only one bird after 8th day started sensing the changes in the atmosphere, not getting the sufficient food, feeling lonely. Then it became very worst situation. They decided to start traveling without any directions, no support, no guidance. It has used all its energy, everything to travel to the place it can able to survive. Was feeling while traveling is feeling like okay, it's going to die with no energy, not finding a good place. Finally, it has seen in the distance side where it's a good place, put all his energy and fell down in one of the farmer's kitchen garden area. In the early morning, 5 o'clock, he fell down there and little relaxed and taking deep breath. Okay, oh my God, survived. By the time the farmer wife come up with a one bucket of full cow dung as usual and throw it on the bird. The entire cow dung fell on the bird. In the morning, little cold in that area. On the top of that, this cow dung, little hot, cold, hot, cold, hot. This feeling was a mixture of feelings. One side is thinking, oh my God, what is happening? At the same time, good feelings. He's tried to open his neck outside of the dag, which opened and come out his mouth, started taking breath. Wow, beautiful experience. With that experience, he tried to express his feelings. He started singing. Wow, beautiful experience. He started singing in his own language. When he started singing, the farmer cat listened this beautiful sing. Oh, someone is singing. And came, pulled that bird from the dag and ate it. What is the learning from the story? There are 4 learnings from the story, my dear friends. Number 1, listen to seniors. Listen to elders. Listen to those who have experience, those who have wisdom. Number two, when you are in a trouble, difficult situation, even though somebody will give some extra difficult, don't think they are giving extra addition. In the same story, the bird came all the way and take a deep breath by the time someone thrown on the mud, cow dung. Here, the one who thrown the cow dung, it is not giving you trouble. That means one who shout at you, scold at you, there may be a good reason behind that. We have to analyze. And the third part, learning. One who bring out from this cow dung, that means they are not going to do a favor for you. They are not wishing good for you. Summarizing it, praise you, don't take it very aggressively that they are very good. They may be different also. One who scold at you, there may be a good reason behind that. We have to analyze. At the fourth point is, when we are in the trouble, deep problems, don't publish or spread across all your community, families. Even though if you are in a problem in a comfortable style, if you start like singing like a bird, someone will take this as an advantage and they will utilize for their purpose, one purpose. You will be in the lose and we will be in the lose. These are the four learning from this beautiful story. Let us apply wherever we come across in our life. Try to connect to the story and be in the better position. This is Dinesh SV signing out until I come with a next beautiful story. Thank you.